What's up, family? Swing Trader Tone here, day 386 of trading, day 386. Let's go ahead and see what's what. Today's gain, $373.65. Total assets up to $15,370.80. My options account gained 285.50. My shares account um is up $78.15. Let's take a look at the options account. A trade desk. $100 strike price down 30 bucks. The $80 strike price is up 90 bucks. My short-term expiration that expires tomorrow down 12 bucks will expire worthless. Doesn't look like it's going to pop up, gap up overnight, anything like that to hit my 28 dollar mark. We'll take a look at the charts in a second. Pfizer's down $112.50. I do love having those 15 contracts. Paid 452 for them. Price is just 2 cents underneath. I like it. I like it. If I had the cash, I probably would get more. But all my money are in plays right now. Beyond is up $555 today. Once again, that'll probably be the one. I have 30 contracts of that. That'll be the one that kind of swings daily. You know what I mean? 500 up, 500 down, 800 up, 300 down, maybe 1,000 up, maybe 1,500 down. We'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. But ultimately, have my targets, have some gaps that I need close on beyond. Just gonna hold it, man. Got a long time. Got a long time. December 17th, 2027 to hold it before it expires. The AAP is down 195. So that's kind of dipping down. Obviously still in the green, but it's been as high as maybe like 125% profit, something like that. 140, almost 150% profit. Um, it's all right. The normal waves, the normal ups and downs. Man, I wish it would come all the way back down so I could get some more contracts. But I don't think it's actually coming back down to where I actually got in. Um, so we'll see how that goes. As far as my shares account, UNHG gave me 72 bucks today. TSLO gave me $6.15 today. Of course, I'm rooting for UNHG to hit its targets with my 600 shares. Go up. You know, if it goes up the $25 I'm expecting, nice little payday. Nice little payday. $25 times 600 shares. You can do the math. Be nice. Um, why do I think it'll do that? There's just some targets that need to get hit. I'm not really here to kind of teach you how to get targets and what are gaps and head and shoulders and support and resistance lines. But if you ask me some questions in the chat, go ahead and talk about it. Other than that, man, once again, this is just the road from 20,000 to 200,000. I actually started the year underneath 20,000, I think around 17 and change. Could probably go to you could go to my IG page, Swing Trader Tone, and check that because it kind of chronicles everything from day one, actually, from August 2024 when I first started um, getting serious about trading. And you could kind of see how I started 2026, all of that. Tesla. Tesla, I have 205 shares. Tesla is bearish right now, so it might come down and just, it will try to close this a little bit. Actually, close this gap already, retraced. Might close again, but for sure, if it comes down, it'll get stopped by that, probably get stopped by that 200 EMA. If you don't know about EMAs, learn about them. Super, super key. There's also a low target down here, but I don't think Tesla's going to come down that far. I think it'll probably hit my 480 mark long before that, and hopefully my 540 target. If it does that, it means TSLL will be wildly in the profit. And obviously I welcome that. My options plays, AAP and TTD trade desk needs to really start moving here pretty soon. But AAP dipped down. Take a look at AAP first. AAP kind of is dipping down, but that's normal. That's normal. No, your normal waves. Never gonna go straight up, right? You're never gonna go straight up. And this is pretty, I mean, this is pretty good of a move. Ever since January 20th, it's been steadily moving up. So it's due to retrace, and then it'll can go ahead and continue up towards my upper targets. Is it ready to go? Yeah, probably come down to about $52 and then pop. So probably right around that 20 EMA. Maybe that'll act as a resistance and shoot from there. Trade desk. Trade desk is bearish. On the daily, trade desk is also bearish on the weekly and bearish on the monthly. So probably looking at it like it's probably going to decline some. Well, let's take it to shorter. Let's see what we're doing the hour. See if we're ready to start turning up. Bearish on the hour, bearish on the 30-minute. Don't really go too much lower than the 15-minute to kind of see what the market's trying to do. Looks like it's going to start trying to curl up. They hit some nice little resistance. Got a bunch of buyers down there on your 15. Yeah. Trade desk is ready to turn up. Definitely ready to turn up. MACD is still, yeah, MACD look like it just turned up a little bit. Bounce. Wants to start turning up. Not quite yet, but close. Not mad. Not mad at all. Beyond. Beyond gave me 7 cents today, which is why those options gave me 500 and change. Like it already hit that 200, kind of came down. Just trying to fight back up. Once it gets above this 200, might be game time for some of my targets. Might be game time. I'll draw myself a nice little speed line here just to keep an eye on it. Yeah. Yeah, I might be that one, man. Beyond went ahead and slipped it and got 20 more contracts the other day. Yeah, I might be one of those go ahead and surprise you like micro strategies and just pop off. Might just pop off. A lot of big players, a lot of big dogs have MicroStrategy shares, not options, shares. But it might be one of those ones that give me 10,000% on my money, which would be a beautiful thing, obviously. Anyway, man, I cut it short. Tomorrow's Friday. Let you know what happens tomorrow on the 20th. But as far as today, once again, up $373.65. Total assets up to 15,370.80. Hoping to get like a work check so I don't have to pull any money out of here to pay any bills. And then we'll go from there. All right. Keep you posted. Let you know what happens tomorrow. All right. One love.